Noise doesn't need a large opening. One gap, one untreated surface, or one overlooked detail is enough. Controlling it takes more than a product. It takes a complete solution. Across the region, Kinetics Group turns acoustic requirements into fully installed, site-ready systems. From technical coordination and fabrication to installation, finishing and handover. This is the work behind the quiet. Acoustic performance does not begin and end with product supply. It depends on what happens on site, how every requirement is coordinated, installed, and completed. As an acoustic specialist, Kinetics Group turns technical designs into practical, buildable solutions. From site assessment and planning to material mobilization, installation, finishing and handover, our team manages the complete acoustic scope. We work closely with consultants, main contractors and MEP teams, adapting every detail to real site conditions while protecting safety, quality and program. The footage you see represents that journey: ongoing work, challenging interfaces, skilled installation, and completed systems across demanding projects. For our clients, it means one experienced team, clear responsibility, and coordinated execution from start to finish. If your project needs a reliable acoustic contracting partner, talk to Kinetics Group. Bring us the challenge. We'll help build the solution.